have to be your biggest fan. And when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says, I just have to follow that, because you don't know who you're going to be.
Hey guys, so I know it's been literally like, 3 months since I've uploaded my last video. Things have been a little bit crazy, so I wanted to make this video and give a quick little update to what's been going on. If honestly any of you guys that are watching this video kind of care. I know I'm still a relatively small channel, but I don't like the fact that I've been gone for so long. I didn't really have any kind of explanation. So to those of you that might have been wondering, this is the video to explain it all. So I'll just jump right into it. The coronavirus freaking sucks, and I hate it with a burning passion now. It kind of screwed, okay, I wouldn't say kind of, it actually did. It completely screwed up my plans that I was preparing for. So the reason I was gone for 3 months is because originally it was me trying to catch up on the 12 Days of Christmas cards, and because I was preparing for this huge massive change that was supposed to be happening at the end of this month, I figured, okay, because my channel is a crafting channel and I'm running out of free time to be able to edit videos and create things for this channel at the same time, because I was also getting more hours at my job and also having to spend any free days I had working at my agency for an exchange for my acting classes to catch up. Well, not really catch up, just to freshen my skills, because I had been on a hiatus for a year because of my blood clot, which I'll leave a link to that whole story if you're interested in hearing about that. So I really had very little time. So the time that I did have, I decided to just focus on creating the content and filming whenever I had a chance to, and I would bulk it up until I had the opportunity to edit everything and upload. So I have been busy with stuffs to show you guys, but because I was thinking I was moving, that was the huge thing. I was planning on moving at the end of March and / the beginning of April, that week. And I'm not going to say where I was planning on moving, because on my first channel, because this is technically my second channel, I was making a short film to announce it, and these plans were actually supposed to happen now exactly a year ago, but because of my blood clot situation, I had to cancel that then as well. So this was my second attempt at this big plan and big move. That's why I'm so pissed off at the coronavirus, because I was like, are you serious? Another thing stopping me from doing this? So I decided that because that happened and I have all this bulked up content now, we are going to pretend that I was still going, and you guys are going to see all of that content now. So you're going to see my February bullet journal setup, my March bullet journal setup, a bunch of cards being made. There's a scrapbook haul video. It's a lot. There is a lot to show you guys. And this card that I was making is actually for my agent, because she was helping me with these plans as well. And I wanted to thank her for all her help to help achieve my dreams of acting full-time. And this video that I filmed for this, it was going to be my announcement video for this channel to say, guess what guys, where I'm moving and what's my next plan. But because of the coronavirus, it got canceled. So I will be announcing where I was planning on going and everything, because the plans aren't officially canceled. They're just trying to be pushed farther ahead. But plan is going to be in October now, but I'm going through with my short film on my first channel to announce exactly where I'm moving and what the big plan is, and just treating it like, okay, it's happening now, and release all the content that I've been bulking up to, prepare for this. So you guys will be seeing stuff weekly again, and I'm super excited for it, especially now that we're all in either social distancing mode or quarantine. For me, I don't have the coronavirus. I am just in self-isolating social distancing mode. So I really have all the time in the world to be editing videos now, which is fantastic for my channels. But at the same time, it sucks to not be able to go outside and do stuff, because I'm an extrovert. So that's a bit of a struggle for me. But let me know how you guys are handling it. I also want to thank you guys for not unsubscribing. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the stuff that's coming up. I'm really excited to show them with you. And yeah, I'll leave it at that. And if you'd like to check out my short film, it will be released the first week of April. I will leave a link to it on my next video that I upload to this channel. But yeah, for those of you who are curious about it and would like to check it out, my other channel is The Leaf Factor, and I will be leaving a link to it on the first video that gets released the week that I release the short film. So keep an eye out if you're interested. I'm super excited to finally release it. I've been working on it collectively for 2 years, even though I've only had this plan for a full year. Like, I've been planning this short film for 2 years. It's been a long time, so I hope you enjoy it. And yeah, you'll get another video from me on this channel every Wednesday. That is my upload day for this channel, every Wednesday. I'm gonna do it now. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys soon, and please stay safe and stay healthy. Bye.